Hey guys! Today I went to the birthday party of my friend's mom. Oh, group picture. Batch 84.
Big,
wala tugtog.
Sound kanta?
Prepare pa daw.
So ayan na nga guys, dalawa lang kami ng friend ko ang nag-attend dito sa birthday ng mom ng isa pa naming friend na may-ari din ng bahay dito. Wala siya ngayon, di namin sa kasama kasi she's very busy in the kitchen and sa pag-a-assist din ng kanyang nanay sa mga kailangan nito at saka pag-aasikaso sa mga bisita. So ayan, nag-i-enjoy lang kami kahit wala siya.
Thank you so much. That's Juliet Dacalso. And this time we will hear a birthday message or wishes coming from one.
Ay, dalaga pa ni siya. May bantay sa to. And then, ako isa to sa to. When tatay became ex-mayor, sunod na di siya. So, pagpahuway ni tatay, ka na magpulos na vice-mayor. So, that's how close we are. Ihada niya ang bata ko. Ihada ko naman ang bata niya. So,
Oh my gosh!
May nag-break. Tama na.
Wow! It's back!
Parang madaling gutom na
May you have a great birthday celebrations together with your family, relatives and friends. Enjoy and God bless you always.
Happy birthday, Lola. Happy birthday, Lola. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Lola. I love you, Lola.
Food station here on my left and another food station on my right. So let's enjoy the Sampus food prepared for us by our birthday celebrator, Money Night Telly on 3 and 8 p.m.